close look of before. I'm going to be using the gummy wax, the red version. I'm pretty sure you've all probably seen this before. So I'm using the gummy wax, and what I'm going to start off by doing is sectioning my hair in two, because I've got a lot of hair. As you can see, my hair is super thick. That's the problem. So you're going to need some hair bands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair in two. So I'm also using a wide tooth comb because that just works best for my hair, and obviously to part the hair it works perfect as well. I've already oiled my hair. I put all of my oils in there, so it's ready to go. I've actually stretched out my hair, so I've blow dried my hair. I haven't done any straightening or nothing. I've just blow dried my hair and managed to get it stretched out like this. When I do it without it being stretched, it's just harder to do, so I just prefer doing it stretched. I haven't straightened it or anything. I've just blow dried it. Obviously, if you feel like it's easier for you to straighten, then go ahead. So now that I've sectioned my hair, I'm going to be focusing on the back section. So I'm going to be using the gummy wax, the red version, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a chunk of it. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a good chunk of the gummy wax, and I'm going to put it at the back of my hand because it's just easier for me that way. And then I take some like that and just start putting it in my hair. I'll sit like this so you can kind of see more of what I'm doing. So I'm just brushing it through. I know it's hard for you guys to see what I'm doing because it's from the back, but when I do it from the front, you'll be able to get a better look. And then I'm just going to make another part. I'm just detangling the hair. It is harder to do from the back, but just keep brushing it through until it's knotless. You don't feel any knots in your hair. It just feels nice and smooth. I'm just using a smaller comb to get through it. Make sure it's all smooth. So now it's all slicked, but I'm gonna add some freeze spray because my hair will literally not stay like this. So now I'm gonna do some baby hairs. I'm gonna attempt to do some baby hair. Now guys, I'm not the best when it comes to baby hairs, I have to be honest, but we need to fake it till we make it together, okay? And then I'm gonna use some free spray. Spray it all on the do some on the back as well, and then slick it back again. Be careful this time, guys, because you don't want to mess up your hair. You also don't want to mess up your baby hairs that you worked so hard for. Well, I did anyway. Do the same at the back. And then you want to hurry up and get a scarf to tie it on your hair, because I don't know about you, but my hair moves. Okay guys, I look like such an auntie right now. But anyway, so whilst our hair is setting in the scarf, you can actually use a blow dryer just to like fasten up the process. This isn't a compulsory step, by the way. You don't have to do this, because I know some people don't like using heat on their hair. My hair personally doesn't really mind blow drying. My main thing is straightening. I don't like straightening my hair at all. I don't even remember the last time I straightened my hair. I feel like maybe like, I don't even know. I'm just gonna blow dry it just to fasten up the process, but I don't do this usually. So like I said, you don't have to do this. You can just literally be chilling with the scarf in your hair for as long as you want, and then when you're ready to go, take it off. I would say leave it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes, depending how stubborn your hair is. My hair is hella stubborn, so yeah, I leave it on for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna blow dry it. That ain't the baby, that's my baby. The friends in the morning. It's a cry baby. She gave me nothing pussy in a while. She had to put weight, now I'm waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, you ain't gonna be keeping my down. Can you give this to me one thing? I could be your girl, sugar down playing now. And if I come on, pressure me, wanna have my body bending over. Anytime and anywhere, I just wanna go. In a better up a best, get a logo, them a job. You can come get rich with us. You don't eat and you don't starve. Know some people hate that I'm on top of bulletproof a car. I like. Don't be running from me if I like it, I spend money on you. Get whatever from me, put 6 figures in your business. Handle real shit, I got cash at the dealership and all your pay slip. Oh, fuck nigga, I don't wanna hear. Ain't tucking the bag, I cover my ears. I hop in the lane, I'm switching the gears. My bitches is balling, make me use the shit. All of my baguettes with the crush face. I don't even bitch man with the stuck face. Who the fuck your hoes playing with anyways? See girls making wish like Ray J. Let me talk to him. All these niggas gonna fuck JT. Hellcat is a SIC. Pull up G-Rex 63. Make it 55 suck that T. You ain't allowed in a new body. Many niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom from the face to the try to broke bitches ain't saying a thing. Period. Alright guys, our party's finished. I'm gonna take it off now. And let's see. So this is how it's turned out. So yeah guys, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Obviously you can see some little kinks and stuff in there, but like I said, my hair is natural, so that's inevitable. I can't really stop that. And I don't really mind, like my waves are on deck, okay? If it's looking a bit dull or anything like that, you can just add some spray in there. The spray I'm using is this one. And you can use any spray that you want. You don't necessarily have to use this one. I'm actually not going to spray mine because I'm quite happy with how it looks. And I've got work tomorrow, so in the morning. So I'm going to sleep with my scarf on. I'm going to sleep with my scarf on like how I was doing initially. And then when I wake up, I'm just going to spray some of the coconut oil on there to make it look a bit more shiny. If my edges are looking a bit, you know, like done out here or anything, I'll just retouch them up with the gummy wax. And then that's literally it. I quite like having a messy bun. So I'm not going to make this look a bit too fancy or anything like that. The main purpose of this video is just to show you how it slicks. And I'm pretty happy with how it slicks. So, and I did this whole hairstyle with just the gummy wax. So it worked really good for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more tutorials, please comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.